Good morning, everybody. This is Ted with Digital Assets Trading Academy. This is your morning market update for Tuesday, January 21st. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Market was slow as anticipated, and we're seeing a Bitcoin price, 3,565. Really not much different than last week. We're up $33.49 from MLK Day, about 1%. Saw a high of 3,573 and a low of 3,485. I'm calling the same support level, 3,550, so really right around where we're at. And I'm calling resistance up at 4,055. So looking at the chart here, for everyone who's been following, this is the daily, but what I'm going to start with is the hourly here, which was kind of interesting. You know, down 3 in the morning. Wow, we ran this. I mean, truly down 200, $150 in an hour. So there were some shenanigans going on, but as you see, we went right back up to the current ranging zone. So, it's kind of hard to trade those bars. I mean, that's big money or bots, and unless you're awake and you kind of are looking at this zone and you see it fall and you do a quick sell, those are tough to trade. But what I'm gonna do right now is show you the zone I'm looking at today, and maybe for this week, coming off again the down move from the 9th. We're really still in this range, so I'm going to draw some battle zones for us. First zone I'm looking at here is definitely this zone as our current resistance. Anywhere above 3,700 I'm calling resistance. And right now, this is what our support looks like. So as you saw, the prices aren't really different than last week, but we can still make money, right? So if this zone is going to hold, then every time we get around 3,500, we buy, and when we get up to 37, we sell. So this is what I would keep an eye on for this week. Okay. XRP, similar situation, 32 cents. We're not even up 1%. Yesterday, 32 cents again, and down to 31 cents. So still ranging. Same support. We're really at a long-term support right now at 32 cents. And I think we have resistance up at 39. Looking at the XRP chart, this is the daily. So, really, if you want to zoom in, I mean, the longer term, we're still on a downtrend from the longer term perspective. But starting off at 2019, that's here. So we're still even down from the beginning of this year. Taking a look at the zones that I think are crucial for this week. Same thing we had at 3 a.m. again with the rundown to 31 cents. But these are the zones I'd be looking at this week. I'd say anything around the 34.5-cent mark is resistance. And down here, we have some good support. So What does this mean? If you aren't willing to wait on the sidelines, like a lot of people aren't, then this is your zone right now. Anything below 31.5 cents is a good buy, and you can get out and take profit at 34.5 cents. So yeah. Tron is in a trend right now, up 5% on the day. Yesterday's high, 0.026. Yesterday's low, 0.024. Right now we're trading at 0.027. We've gone up from support levels, and we're approaching first major resistance levels. So the Tron chart is the one that is a little different than the rest. If you look at the daily, we're up. I mean, 2019, right? This looks very different than the XRP chart that I just showed. We had a clear uptrend right in the beginning of the year, down, and now we're approaching actually the next move up from that retracement. So I'm personally bullish on Tron, as many people are. And even if you look at the 4-hour here, from that big move, we have some room to go to test the highs up over, well, now 0.028, and then eventually over 0.3. So the current zones that I'm looking at right now, which most people are right here, and really you could call it, I'd almost even call it here. So technically still in this range, but the most current 4-hour candle is coming to the top. So again, this is not trading advice, but you see some opportunities. If you think we're still in a range, this would be approaching a pretty good sell area, 0.27, and you take it back down for a profit. This is something that what I would be looking for is a break of this zone, potentially a retracement, and then even a bigger move up. But we will see. These are the zones for the day. Please like and comment and share and check us out. We're happy to cover other coins if you want us to. If you look at today's percent change, a lot of the altcoins are doing well today, up 10%. I was looking at NEO and VeChain. So, with Bitcoin up only 1%, what are we looking at? Why are the altcoins outperforming? So that's something to keep an eye out as well. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and happy trading. Cheers.